Mr. Mark, we have a Christian caught the possum and bugs all around it. Christian caught a possum, Mr. Mark. And there he goes. Strap it?
Distract it. Keep distracted. He's scared. Don't do that. Just like quiet.
I need to put the phone somewhere because I'm recording.
Alright, so female. We just pooped on
Ew, Christian?
her. Here's the pouch. See the pouch? Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, I know you're mad. I would be mad too if I got caught eating cat's food. There's the pouch right there. Hey.
Oh, Christian, you make me scared.
Nothing to be scared of, just angry. I would be angry too if I got caught eating the cat's food.
That's a couch.
Almost nipped me.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Christian, you sure you okay?
I'm okay, see? He grabbed the rubber part and he didn't scratch me.
Good.
So
That
he
thing
always
bit
wears
you?
gloves.
You will have to go to the hospital for that, Christian. Because just look at those sharp teeth.
I know, right?
It's almost like shark teeth. My teeth are not that sharp.
You have over 50 teeth.
Good. Just look at that thing. Look at that thing, Christian.
Mark, so at your house, right? This guy knocked the cat food down twice and ate all of it. So we've been feeding your cats tuna. And yeah, it's a big old possum girl. It's a girl possum. She's not pregnant though. But she's ready for mating. Pretty aggressive too. But you know how it is. We caught him, Mr. Mark, and we're gonna remove him somewhere in somewhere around the Lower Fort Bluff area. So, or by the Mississippi Department of Wildlife. So, yeah. Mark caught that joker that was bothering you, bothering your cats and your cat food. He knocked it down like 2 times most of the time that I was feeding the cat. So, yeah. And so last night I set the trap and we got him. It's a big girl, big female possum. Yeah. We're gonna remove them somewhere by MWFP, whatever. But yeah. This way. Come on. Keep coming.